Okay, good afternoon everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am your teacher, CAñETE. Today, we're going to discuss about agriculture, livestock production. Sorry. And here is our objectives. Okay, at the end of the lesson, you should be able to define agriculture in livestock production, explain the importance of agriculture in the livestock production, and determine the branches of agriculture in livestock production. Now, let us define the agriculture. Okay. Agriculture describes the practice of growing crops and raising animals. Someone who works as a farmer in the agricultural industry. Okay. The Latin root of agriculture is agri or field plus cultura or cultivation. Okay. This is cultivating a piece of land or planting or growing foods plants on it. It is largely what agriculture means. Basically, the agriculture it is a farming. Okay, the history of agriculture began thousands of years ago. After gathering wild grains, agriculture began 105,000 years ago, and nascent farmers began to plant around 11,500 years ago. And animals like pigs, sheep, and cattle were domesticated over 10,000 years ago, and plants were independently cultivated in at least 11 regions of the world. And why does agriculture have being offered in Keto 12 education? It is taught here that in the most basic of Philippine education that our country stands out for its flora and fauna. Okay, when we say flora, it is a plants, and when we say fauna, it is an animals. Okay, and it states here that our country it stands out for its plants and animals. For centuries, people from all over the world have sought our country for our wealth of natural resources. Being one of the richest and most biodiverse countries in terms of raw materials and agriculture and economic development potential, it is only fitting that we as dedicated, proud Filipino citizens all strive to nurture it. And this is the reason why agriculture being offered in K-12 education. And it is also inspired the future generation to pursue an agricultural education. And we have here the four main branches of agriculture that are exist, which namely livestock production, agricultural economics, crop production, and also agricultural engineering. But for now, let us focus the livestock production. When we say livestock, it is it is an animal which are kept on a farm such as cattle and sheep. And when we say production, it is a um when we say production, it is a process of manufacturing or growing something in large quantities. Okay, basically the livestock production, it is raising animals primarily for the purposes to produce egg, meat, and milk. And we have here the branches of livestock production. First is nomadic pastoralism. Okay, nomadic pastoralism. This is keeping of cattle while moving from one region to search a grass and water. And most herd common animals like sheep, goats, and cattle. And this is usually we see in the environment or in the farm to search a grass, and clean water. And next is poultry farming. Okay, it is an animal agriculture which raises domesticated birds such as chicken, ducks, and turkey to produce eggs and meat for food. And this is usually we see especially here in Mati, we see adobong manok, fried chicken. So without the poultry farming, we cannot eat that uh, food like fried chicken because uh, we cannot eat that if we don't have a poultry farming. Next is pig farming. Okay, it is raising and breeding of domestic pigs as livestock, and it is a branch of animal agriculture. Okay, the pigs are farmed principally for food such as um, pork, bacon, ham, and gammon, and also the skins. And I know that most of you, especially those people who eat pigs or lechon baboy, okay, I know that the I know uh, that the skins of pigs are your favorite. And also, and basically the pig farming, it is a pigs where keep and raise on a farm. Next is apiculture. It is known as beekeeping. Okay, it is a scientific method of growing honeybees. Okay, the term apiculture is derives from the Latin word apis, which means bee, and api when we say sorry when we say apiculture, the term apiculture derives from the Latin word apis, which means bee, and apiculture is also known as beekeeping. Okay, it is the care and management of honeybees in order to produce honey and wax for human consumption. And next, and the last one, aquaculture. Okay, it is the cultivation of aquatic organisms such as fish and shellfish. Okay, aquaculture, it is known as fish farming. Okay, it is what I've said, the cultivation of aquatic organisms such as fish and shellfish, especially for food. Okay, and it is basically the aquaculture. It is farming in a water which is breeding, raising, and harvesting fish, shellfish, and aquatic plants. These 5 branches of livestock production that I've mentioned here is one of the uh, like the vocational or the livelihood of the people here in the Philippines. And I know that most of you have here or uh, there are some of you have here these branches of livestock production, but hindi naman lahat, but I know that you have this one in your house. um, I know that some of you have a poultry farming because the branches of livestock productions the under the 5 branches of livestock production is one of the kanang panghanap buhay ng mga tao. And we have here the importance of livestock production. We have here the importance of livestock production. Okay. What I've said kanina, generates high quality of food products like meat, egg, milk, and fish. And also, it provides jobs for smallholders or landless workers, and also it serves as a source of income. And it serves as relaxation and happiness for some people, especially those people who love caring animals or raising and breeding animals. Okay, and also the livestock production helps our country to earn money through exportation. Through exportation our food products to other country. And the conclusion, the livestock production stands as a cornerstone of agriculture, playing a vital role in global food security, economic development, and cultural heritage because the livestock production is one of the source of income of the people, and also give the give the opportunities give the opportunities to it gives an it provides also the uh, employment opportunities for some people. And and also our and it is a play of playing a vital role in global food security. What that's it, a playing vital in global food security. And also our country is stands, what I've said kanina, it stands out as a plants and animals or floral and fauna. Okay. Next, it is also faces multifaceted challenges, okay, because we have different difficulties in our community, right? Like for example, if the government is provide cattle in like for example here in Mati, okay, the the government is provide the cattle in a 26 barangay, but in the 26 barangay only the three families are pwede are might provided. But okay, because uh, only the three families are kanang ang mahatagan lang because of the difficulties kanang lack of resources, and also because of the population also, and also the advancement in technology in management. Okay, the advancement of technology to enhance the food safety and security, okay, like for example the canned goods, right? It is belong to advancement technology. And that's the end of my topic, and I hope you learned something for my topic, and thank you for watching. Bye.